On this video, we will be talking about hand gestures in Samsung Galaxy Watches. First is what they call Universal Gesture. This shortcut provides navigation and functionality to all applications in Samsung smartwatch. To enable Universal Gesture, go to Home menu and look for Settings icon. Scroll until you find Accessibility. Scroll down and look for Interaction and Dexterity. Now press on Universal Gestures. Swipe to your right to turn on this function. Take note, while using Universal Gestures, dismiss alerts and calls needs to be turned off temporarily. I will explain this standard gesture later. Now that we have turned on Universal Gestures, let us customize with your liking. Press on Gestures. The maximum gestures that you can use is only 4, which are pinch, double pinch, make fist, and make fist twice. Each gestures you can customize by adding actions like, for example, pinch is to tap and confirm, or for next item. Can also choose previous item and so on. You get the idea. I will now demonstrate the universal gestures. First is pinch. Use your index finger and thumb finger. Make a pinch gesture. This will tell your watch to tap on the application and confirm. Second is double pinch. Tells your watch to go or move to the next selection. Third is to make a fist gesture. You need to open your hand and close to form a fist. I customized this gesture to go to previous selection. Fourth and final gesture is to make a double fist. For my setup, this will open the app menu. The other feature in Samsung Galaxy Watch is the standard or common gesture. This action will make you receive and decline incoming calls and open your favorite application. To turn on this gesture, go to Settings icon. Now scroll down and look for Advanced Features. Inside Advanced Features, scroll down and look for Gesture options. Take note, you can only have 3 maximum gestures or actions. First is to answer calls. Swipe to your right to turn on. A quick reminder, you can only activate 1 gesture at a time. This is the limitations of Samsung Galaxy Watches. I'm not certain on the Galaxy Watch Ultra, but yeah, most Samsung Galaxy Watch versions will be like this. Once you confirm, it will show you a quick demo on how to answer a call. Here's a quick demonstration to answer a call using your watch. I find this very useful because it eliminates the need of getting your phone. The more easier when using earbuds. Second gesture is to dismiss alerts and calls. When you turn this on, you need to rotate your wrist twice. Here's a quick example. Unknown caller? No problem. The last gesture is Quick Launch. To use this action, you need to select your favorite app. For this example, I set mine as Gmail because I always check my emails regularly. Make a fist and shake twice, like making a knock-knock. This will only work after you wake up your watch or the screen has turned on. A quick demonstration. A useful shortcut to open your favorite application. Since you can only choose 1 function at a time, you may refer on the function for each gesture. I hope this has been informative and useful to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on my next video.